Hello, today we are going to do Play-Doh Builder. We're going to do the tour balloon kit. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, this looks like the frames for the balloon. Instructions. Some stamps, some more stamps, flower stamps. This is like the garland that goes on the balloon. The posts for the balloon. The basket. More stamps. Got a couple tubs of Play-Doh, green, yellow, orange, light pink, aqua, and a darker pink. Here comes Branch. And he's got a little rainbow stamp on the bottom. And here comes his friend Poppy. Hiya, Branch. Let's get started. She's got a flower on her bottom. Too cute. Branch, it doesn't fail. Get on up. Let's get going. Got a lot of work to do. And here is all of the contents. Okay, let's put the balloon form together. It snaps together just like so. And then this is the basket and the top that holds the balloon. Yeah, I really do like these Play-Doh Builder series. I like making the 3D objects. All right, now here is the mold for the balloon. So you're gonna have to do this twice. One for the top and one from the bottom, and then you just mold it to the sphere. And it just goes on just like so. And make tons and tons and tons of flowers. The sphere doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be placing these flowers everywhere. And then this is the mold for the bottom of the basket. You're going to make 4 of these. And then you're just going to decorate the bottom. And then make the garland for the top. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And you're just going to decorate it. There's tons of flower molds. Turns out super cute. Super adorable kit. There's Poppy and Branch gonna take off. They gotta go find Barb. Get some things settled. It's supposed to be a little guitar. We're off to the Trolls World Tour. Super cute little trolls. So much fun. These are super adorable. You guys have a good day.
Big Big